Friday night knife review. By the way, if it's annoying when I start these videos out this way, or if I'm being way too loud, let me know. But anyhow, what we have here today is this Ruko EDC folding knife. Now, seeing as that having a knife in a package would be boring, let's go ahead and let's use the knife from last week's video, which is the marble GI knife. I'll link to it at the end of the video. And open the bastard up. I hate clamshell packaging, especially for ow. I cut myself right there. Especially for freaking knives like this. Now, why am I looking at a more modern style knife? Because I can't not just look at just basic knives all the time. But I can already tell you right now that this does not feel good in the hand, really. I mean, like, kind of like that. It feels okay. What's the blade steel, you might ask? It's 3CR13 MOV, so it's your typical cheap Chinese stainless steel. The pocket clip digs into your hand. I guess unless you're holding it like that, but the pocket clip digs into your hand, and that's why the main reason why I don't like modern pocket knives. Because if I'm out whittling or something like that, I don't want a pocket clip on my knife. Just a personal gripe. That's all there is. The knife's made in China. The handle material this is aluminum. This is plastic, and particularly ABS plastic. Now, the blade, I can already tell you, is not in there very good. It has a little bit of wobble to it. Let's go ahead and let's see that stiff linear lock and close it. It's not assisted, but looking in there, it appears as though the bushings are made out of steel. They're either steel or plastic. I'm willing to bet that they're plastic. Look, if it'll focus in there, I think the bushings in it are plastic. So not exactly looking really good quality for this knife, but for $15, let's see, does it even come sharp? So, grab the little piece of paper, and let's see. Comes kind of sharp. Not totally sharp. Yeah, I guess that'd be pretty sharp. Now let's see if I can make another bald patch in my arm with it. Focus. Yeah, there's some hair missing off my arm. So it does at least come sharp. But as for the overall construction of this knife, it's cheap. It's cheap, 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 cheap. I mean, it even says 3CR on the blade, actually. Focus. But, yeah, I mean, that's a really, really cheap linear lock pocket knife. Let's see, it opens and closes really smooth, but I don't know for how long. It does have a hole for a lanyard. And I'm just dragging this video on at this point in time. But anyhow, if you liked what you've seen, or you have any sort of comments or criticisms of any way that I can make these videos better, please let me know down in the comments section. If you liked what you've seen, go ahead and like and subscribe to the video. And I'm Spaztastic. You're watching Spaztastic TV. You can go ahead and watch either one of these videos, one of the ones on last week's knife, and the ones on whatever YouTube recommends you. But anyhow, I'm Spaztastic. You're watching Spaztastic TV, and thank you for watching.